OneCNC CAD CAM made easy. Let's take a look at moving geometry. Now the first step is to select the geometry, then select the Move command. Why don't we move that circle incrementally in X 2 inches? I think that looks great. Now another method is this. You can always select the geometry, hit the letter M on the keyboard to activate the Move command, and why don't we move this Y minus 1 inch? Very good. Now you can also move geometry by reference locations. Let me demonstrate. I'm going to select the geometry, reference off the center of the circle, and then select the point. Very, very easy. Let's do that again. Let's select the rectangle. Now we're going to activate the Move command. And now I'm going to reference off of a grid point location, right there. And that's it. OneCNC CAD CAM made easy. And don't forget to click the subscribe button.